There we go. Hello. Welcome to the stream. Sorry I'm a little late. I am SolarLoon. And yeah, welcome to the game dev stream. So if you're unfamiliar with who I am SolarLoon. I'm an independent game developer and musician and stuff. I am the creator of Tetra 3D, which is a 3D renderer, which is what's powering this little PS1 style adventure game. And this is what we're going to be working on a little bit. And I think I'm going to try to also work on a master plan as well. So this is going to be, yeah, it's going to be fun. Whew. All right. So, yeah, let's get going. I'm going to get some music going first. Things first. Let's see here. This can close. This is fine. You know what? Oh, yeah. Give me that. Give me this. All right. So where did we leave off? Last stream, we have an inventory system working, and we added some items to it, or we added an item to it. As I recall, I'm gonna walk over here, interact with this ice machine, and then we have an ice. I mean, it would be bag of ice, but an ice item. So I guess we have to make it so that you can like use it. So that's the idea. So when you press this, it basically like runs a script associated with the item. So pretty simple. What we're gonna do is go to, let's see. Okay, so here's our script. So we're gonna go to GUI.go, I guess. UI item or UI button. Here we go. So if you press it, then we just basically need to say the selected item dot script run. Let's see. Let me take a look at that again. So we have update. We have on update. We have message. Okay. So it should be something like that. I need this. And then we need to call on update every frame while this is running. So we'll do it like this. And okay. All right, so we only need it to run on update. Really like when once it starts interacting. Guess we could do it like this. So then we just call. I mean, let me see. Maybe we could do something else that I don't want to like have to reach into the VM if I don't have to. I guess I could just set running to be false. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. I'm thinking like, I'm trying to figure out how best to do this so that you can turn off the script. I guess I could just do like stop. I guess I just do that guy. Yeah, that's fine. So we'll make a glue function that just goes like this and returns as. Okay. So then when we call on message. Like that. All right, let's try this. Let me move the player so we don't have to do this all the time. Okay, it doesn't work that way. I forgot. Let's see. So what we're gonna do to make this a little faster, we're gonna go to inventory and just make it so that you own the ice. Okay, so it does detect our click. Oops. Okay, so it does exist. So is it being called? Is that... Let's see. Okay. Actually, I don't have to exit. I forgot. Huh. Oh, it's because args is... It is the argument. That's why. So we have to go back to GUI. This has to be... like that. Cool. Okay. Actually, this is not referenced. There should be this dot actions. Oh yeah, that's fine. Okay. Now, what would be nice is to maybe be able to do something like this. So I can say multiple things. Let's see. Let's try this. We might be able to do something like this. Let message index equals 0. So I'm thinking that basically we can have a sequence of things to say. And let's see. Yeah. Oops, sorry. Yeah, I'm thinking that we could do something like this. Excuse me. Thinking something like that, so we can actually provide us a series of messages as desired. So we can go over here and yeah, do like that. Yeah, that does actually work. What we want to do is once we call this, we want to set the state to be menu state. There we go. I think. Cool. Okay, that works. Now we can go back over here to item ice. Blah, 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 blah. Actions unlocking. Let's see. Kanzaki Gensai says, "Hey, Solar, long time. Yeah, what's up? Hello. Welcome to the stream." Missed your streams, got worried you'd quit. No, haven't quit yet. I'm still at it. Also, I'm not a fan of these colors real quick. There we go. Let's just change the vibe real quick. Yeah, I haven't quit just yet. I'm still making stuff, still developing. Happy to be here. This is just... It's 2. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Oh, right. Okay, so yeah, this needs to be here. Cool, okay. Cannot read. Call 20. What's the actual index? Call this. Not sure if you used Go in your job, but if you did, could you give advice as to how to become a Go dev? Do you mean like as a job, like to work, or do you mean like working with Go? Because learning it is pretty easy. If you mean like getting a job as a Go developer, that's I don't think I can give you advice, brother. Not on that. It's yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure how I mean, like, I do work just kind of like well, I mean, something that you could try is to go on getting as a job. Okay, but I understand. Yeah, sorry. I mean, something I've tried is like going to and that kind of works is going to places like Upwork, and applying for, you know, different people's jobs and things like that. And that's something that you could do to kind of like get into it. That also would help you to like build your experience, like, you know, on a resume if you're kind of like getting into it fresh, because that allows you to well that, as well as like contributing to open source projects and things like that. Like if you have a GitHub repository or profile of different things, different projects, demos, tools written in Go, that probably would help, you know, kind of sell you, right? So like if you're gonna apply to like a literal job interview, you definitely want to have a portfolio, which can just be your GitHub, you know, profile probably. If you have like, you know, different tools and things you've made with Go, or even just like sites and things like that you made with Go. If you go on like Upwork or maybe Fiverr or places like that, you could probably pick up projects that people might need written in Go, or really other languages as well, because I think developers are probably more interested in seeing someone who's active versus someone who is specifically like, oh, we're looking for a Go developer, he has to work with Go. It's like, well, I don't think that they would mind if you work with C++ or C# or Go or Rust or whatever, D or whatever language, as long as it produces something that they can examine and be like, okay, yeah, this guy knows what he's talking about. So that's probably how I would kind of like jump into it, is starting off with like different projects to build up a portfolio, and then taking that to potential job opportunities / looking for work on like Upwork, Fiverr, different places like that. And it doesn't have to be like, you're not getting paid, you're getting paid peanuts. You definitely can get paid, according to what you should be paid. You're not getting paid, $5 an hour or $15 an hour or something like that. You can definitely find work. There's a lot of people out there, a lot of freelancers. So it's gonna take time, but it's definitely something that you can do. And the more stuff you do, the easier it kind of becomes over time to get more work. So it's just kind of like, you got to start off making something and showing like, a little bit about development. And it doesn't have to be anything particularly big. It doesn't have to be like, a big framework or something like that. It could just be a website or like a server for data stored on a server for serving data stored on a server somewhere, something like that. Trying to figure out exactly, something's not working here, and I think I know generally what the problem is that this is not, well, let me see, maybe it's not, the issue is not what I think it is. Why does it increase to 3? Let's just do it like this. Oh, that's why, because the actual list doesn't exist. Cool. Okay, that does work. All right, yeah, that works pretty well, I think. Cool. So that works. What we're gonna do with this is we're gonna take it to, let's see. Let's give you the other item too. It would probably also be nice to be able to put this stuff wherever. Like, it doesn't have to be in the top level. So we're going to move the item stuff here. Also, this... Yeah, that's fine, I guess. Can we get a little bit of a not so dark? Let's see. It's fine, I guess. Let's see. Does this even still work anymore? Right. We gotta update this scripting system. So yeah, we don't actually know where the file is, so we're gonna have to walk the file system. So let's do a walk dir. Let's pass the asset file system. Root is just assets scripts, and give me a function. Turn nil and print the path. If d.isDir, we can skip, or just skip the entry. All right, so we got cam helper, car, NPC, yeah. Okay, so then there's itemize. So so that's the file that we're actually trying to load. So I guess what we can do is something like this. Hold on. What is F here? Hold on, this theme is also throwing me off. It's just not quite what I'm looking for. Maybe this is fine, I guess. Let's see. But it's not. There's no vibes though. I'm looking for vibes. Whatever, it's fine for now. Okay. Yeah, what we're gonna do is just, I mean, I guess we could just asset file system open and then just pass the path if the file name, file path, it's really path. Let's see. I think we need to split. It gives us just the file. Okay, fpath. Need this, don't need that. Okay, let's try this for now. Okay, so camhelper.js, item ice.js. Yeah, cool. So we want to know basically if the name is the same, so we can get the extension. Trim suffix file name. Let's do this. So fs file. We can do that, and then we just do this. and then return skip all. Okay. Wait, what? Hold on. File name, no extension app. So what's cam helper? Okay, that is what it is. Okay, so okay. Item keys. So it's not, that doesn't exist. So if it doesn't exist, then where is it crashing here? Oh, air is nil. Oh, psh, my bad. This should be file name. This should be F9. But still, why is this not giving me an error? Definitely should. This is not giving me an error because F error, F error, F error. Cam helper. F error transport, F error player, F error cam helper. Oh, because item keys is never icy. It's never actually icy. So if F is equal to nil, oh, right. Okay, so F is equal to nil. Log out of line. Oh, not found. S.name plus .js. Yeah, so there's no item keys. Cool. All right. So this. So it did find the ice, but it couldn't open assets, libraries, actions. Load required module failed. Okay, libraries, actions, assets, libraries, actions. Okay, hold on. I think I know what's going on. I know why. I know it's not working, and I know generally why. I'm just trying to understand exactly how this is happening. Right. So // libraries actions. So it, let's see. New registry. New registry with loader. So the problem that I'm having here is basically my script imports another JavaScript file from a relative directory, but when I register that file, it's just getting the relative path. I don't have the original file's path to know like where to base the relative file from. Like our item ice.js script is importing .. So from inventory goes up to scripts, then goes to libraries / actions.mjs. That is not like it's fine, but when we go to actually get that path, it's relative from this script. I I mean, there's a couple ways we could do this. One is to basically make it so that we just walk through the script's directory to find the first thing that has the same name. Worst case scenario, like that's the stupid way to do it, but that would work. With loader. Source loader. What's a source loader? I guess it's a function. It says a function that will be called in order to get the source code for a module at the given path. Let's see, is there any other with global folders? The module is not found elsewhere. With loader, default source loader. Why? There's no way to know what file it's loading from. If there's no way to know what file it's loading from, I mean, like, do I have to, can I just give the absolute directory? Is this no? No. So it always imports relative, and it does not understand any other path, huh? It does not understand access scripts. So how could I get relative pathing to work? I don't think I can. I think that this is something I'll have to make a GitHub request for. Unless, is there any other way to do this? I mean, I guess I could do something like, let me try this, hold on. File not found item keys.js. Invalid module. With global folders. With global folders. Did it actually use global folders? Load node modules. Resolve. Load. Okay, let's see. Load native. Resolve. Load native. Yeah, I think I'm going to have to. Pretty sure this is a given path. Let's switch up the music a little bit. Okay. For now, I'll just do this. I think the way to solve this for real, this function require with loader, or I guess the source loader function. Ideally, it would basically give you the path of the script file being loaded, as well as the path requested. So you could say like, oh, give, you can do the like relative, pathing manually. But since this is the way it is, and I don't know where the script is loading from, I'll just do this. Hold up, let me see. I'm creating a GitHub issue. When I get it, I'm using it to create load the script file, load the script, and return the byte, which works fine. However, if the script is a relative path, then I need to know where the okay, we'll see how that goes. I'm not sure if I'm making sense. Yeah, not sure if I'm making sense here. Hold on. So what is this? I'm editing it. Okay, So we'll see how that goes. In the meantime, what we can do is just basically kind of make this dumb. And we just basically find the file. So we just say fs.block dir asset file system set scripts. Okay, we can try something like that. All right, so it does load the. It does work, I think. Okay, cool, it does. All right, so that's fine. Not perfect, but fine. All right. Cool. So now we can just do this and say item. Cool. Let's see. Yeah, it doesn't. Okay, cool. All right, so that should do it. Ow. All right, very nice, very nice. Very nice. Okay, ag is let's see. mean, really, these could be in the same. Yeah, I do not want to like have to like edit these for all of this stuff. So we're gonna do it like this. There we go. So then we can move this out of here. We can, yep, that's fine. Rid of inventory. Yeah. There we go. We go over here. Cool. Let's see. Well, really, I guess it's just one script technically, right? It just switches which item it's doing things with. So we don't need each item to have a script. We only need one script. That means our items can just, because they don't really do much, our items can just be this. Just the item ID and whether you own it or not. So then it calls inventory item. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's fine. So this could be done. Well, I mean, I guess we don't have to do it like that. Huh? We can do it like. Hold on. I'm like, how did I do this? Okay, let's just grab this code real quick. It's just this. Does export turn it into a... Turns it into anything, okay. Selected item? Oh, no, yeah, we don't care about that. Okay. Well, then this could be just be. Let's see. Running item. Is this ever set anywhere? No. Okay. Okay, cool. All right. Running. It's true. We set the variable item ID. We go here and we just say item ID is blank, and then we just say actions. Let's go like this dot item ID. And that's about it, I think. Okay. Cannot read property. Let's see. Of undefined. Nice. Cool. That works a lot better. Very nice. Let's see. All right. Let's see. All right, this is working pretty well. I guess we can do this. I think if we do this, it will look a little better. There we go. Because before, when I did it like this, like you notice how the text changes and then the text box moves. It's like a one frame thing. Like I press left and it says keys here before the text box moves over. I press right and it says ice here before it moves over, like that. That's because I'm setting the position of the text box, of the floating text box, after I draw it on screen. So now I'm doing that before, and now it's clean. Cool. We can ease into it, probably a little bit more. We could do something like this, plus equal, or no, equals minus floating text box, right, x. There we go. It's not too shabby. Not bad at all. Let's give ourselves a cool little hand that, like, does one of these. Oh, it's updating. Okay. I think I've actually done this before several times. Let me see if I can just crib one that I've done before. I think I have, maybe for a game jam. Feels like I have. Yep. It's your boy. I've done it before. Cool. We're gonna just tweak this a little bit to be a little bit more the colors that we're working with. Yeah, I was like, this feels too gray. So that should do. That's pretty good. I'll say that's peak. I think that's peak. I think that's pretty peak. Well, let's do something like this. And yeah. Actually, there's no outlines, right? Like, I'm not using outlines, so... Not bad. This is looking a little peak. This is looking a little dope. Just a little insane, a little crazy. Yeah, that's pretty much as good as we're gonna get. All right. So, yeah, the concept here is pretty straightforward, I think. All right. Sorry for being just like super kind of brain dead right now. Just a little tired. This one's pretty good. Let's see. Oh no, I do not have. Oh wait, surely I do. Highlighted UID. Okay, I don't have. All right, well that's just gonna. Okay. Wait, what? I don't even. Well, brother. Okay, okay. Okay, so I think it's working, but I think I gotta. Oh, I said 96. No, yeah, 960 16 XY X2. Yeah, my bad. That's what I need to do. Tiny little And all right, let's size the sucker up. Didn't this used to... I thought it used to lock. Could have sworn this used to lock. I mean, like, I thought for sure it used to lock. Whatever. I guess not. Okay. Okay, there we go. Cool. Very cool. All right, now we just need to move it over a little bit. Very cool. Now we just need to ease into it a little bit. Cool. Minus 32. Speed that up a little bit. Very cool. Very cool, very cool. Very cool. All right, that works pretty well. That works pretty well indeed. All right. Yeah, that's pretty good. Now, something that I did in I Know Who I Am that I like to do is something I like to do in I Know Who I Am is like have item images. So when you use certain items, like it shows a full screen image of it. So I'll see if I can do something like that here. What's the image website? Start Pexels? Yeah. So we have keys. Excuse me. Free to use completely. Thank you, George Becker. Let's see. Oh. massive image. Let me scale it down to like 600. Okay. Ooh, kind of goes crazy. All right, so if this does work, I don't know if I'm gonna use this for like a lot, but I think it should. Let's see. Let's see if this works. Cool. Let's see. So it does work. Okay, so that's the image that we're talking about. So then we would need actions. That. Let's see. Okay, so show image, save clear image. So then we go to GUI. Underneath basically everything. Okay. I mean, I guess I could. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna do this. I guess the easy way. What size is my game? Excuse me. It's 853 by 480. Alright, so that should do what we need it to do. Nope. Let's see. What am I looking at? Inventory item. Oh, is it? Oh, do I? I don't even. Oh, okay. I don't even do it. Okay. Cool. Let's make that a little nicer by fading in. I guess I can do this a little more. Pop, 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 pop. Okay. Excuse me. All right. Excuse me. So scale out. Oops. Now I'm thinking about like how would I do it so that it fades from one image to the next, like it goes A, B, C. You know what I mean? I don't know if I have a plan for that. You're able to show an image. You can fade it in and out. Let's not overcomplicate it. This is already complicated enough. Okay, something like that. Cool. Very nice. I made a pretty good amount of progress today. That's pretty good. I'm happy with this. I guess I'll stop here. Might as well, right? Everything's going pretty solid. Everything's feeling pretty good. Next time I might work on this area, like going into the convenience store, maybe work on some other areas that would be fun to explore. And like maybe start making the core like concept of the game, where it's like, okay, you're running around to, I don't know, pick something up from the store. I don't know. But anyway, I think that's enough for now. I'm going to call it here. Thank you very much for watching. I've been SolarLoon. I'll catch you guys on the flip side next time. And yeah, thanks a lot. If you want to check out development on Tetra 3D, which is the 3D framework I'm using to make this game, you can do so at GitHub. The repository is github.com/solarloon/tetra3d. Yeah. Trying to see if there's anywhere I can put that at. I can put that in my channel, so maybe I'll put it there. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. It's been real. I'll catch you guys on the flip side next time. That will be Friday at probably 4 or 5 p.m. We'll see. But yeah, thank you very much. And it's been real. See ya.